Guys, if you ever make Vito 639 or the new model, it's the same thing, slide doors. If you change the cables and the cable is snapped, we don't know how to set up. So this is set up when door is open. I will show you exactly how many centimeters there. Big one, it's about 80, I guess 83, something like this. Set up like this. This black one about 19 centimeters, 19 point something, 19 centimeters. It will be fine. Just assemble everything like usually. Don't need to tension the spring inside. Everything works. I couldn't find this information nowhere, just nowhere. So I guess it could be helpful for you.